This one major crypto exchange has just been hacked, Hong Kong may become the next hub for crypto, and BlackRock has just filed a new spot ETF. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. If you haven't checked out our Altcoin Buzz Alpha membership, now may be the time. We've had an insane October where we're up 35% on Bitcoin, 2x on our top midcaps, and 2x on our gems. Over 1,000 in profit from the Celestia airdrop, and over $650 in profit from our buy and sell calls. That's almost a 200x ROI on the Altcoin Buzz subscription fee of only $15. To find out more, check out the links in the description below. Hong Kong is very ready for the next wave of mass crypto adoption, with an influx of crypto talent that has been spilling into the aspiring digital asset hub, according to Jupiter Zhang, a partner at Hashkey Capital. They explain that the combination of new Web3 projects, along with crypto-positive regulatory developments, has primed Hong Kong for significant growth in the next 4 to 5 years, saying, "You've got all these new, different projects with their founders and teams here, which is all real GDP by the way. These teams are already boosting both banking and capital market activities." Zhang added that while crypto prices haven't reflected it, the level of sophistication being developed in the sector over the past 18 months has been striking. The actual technological improvement we've seen through the bear market has been quite astonishing. So I think from the technology side, we're very ready for the next wave of larger mass adoption in the crypto world. The reason for his bullishness for the region was based on the belief that the economy in Hong Kong is in dire need of a new driver, something that Zhang believes the crypto sector is ready to offer. The GDP in Hong Kong in recent years hasn't been looking so good, largely due to COVID, so it needs a new driver. Zhang said, "So it's my theory that crypto and Web3 are the new drivers here." On August 3rd this year, Hashkey became the first crypto exchange in Hong Kong to receive a specific license that allowed them to offer crypto assets to retail investors. Zhang said that while he's not directly involved with the exchange arm of Hashkey, he expects the demand for crypto products from local Hong Kong residents to grow as the government continues to shore up investor concerns by outlining its regulatory scheme for the sector. Zhang said the recent policy changes give retail investors safety because now you've got insurance and legal protections. You don't have to use online wallets to do self-custody. All you have to do is open an account on an exchange, and then you can use your Hong Kong dollars to buy Bitcoin or other crypto. It's quite easy. Zhang added that for now it's still a bear market, but when the bull market comes back, we can assume that people's outlook will change quickly. Retail will definitely be coming back, especially when they have a lot of opportunities to buy securely with licensed exchanges. Overall, Zhang predicts that Web3 in Asia and Hong Kong will witness a similar pattern of development to that of the GameFi sector in Southeast Asia in 2021, which saw Axie Infinity briefly become one of the most played games in the world. In Zhang's view, while Axie was prone to massive speculation, the underlying model of development would be similar. Projects that are developed in the US and Europe could easily find a welcoming market in Asia. Also, make sure to check out Randy's TA video on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel to see what altcoins he's buying right now. Ethereum has surpassed the mark of $2,100 for the first time since April. ETH is up more than 11% in the past 24 hours, with it currently trading around $2,100. The sudden surge has followed optimistic news on BlackRock's Ether ETF filing registered in the state of Delaware. Hours after this filing, an official filing from Nasdaq confirmed BlackRock's Spot Ether ETF plan. The filing also confirmed that BlackRock will list its iShares Ethereum Trust on the Nasdaq after regulatory approval. While the company has already boosted the crypto market with a Spot Bitcoin ETF filing, the filing for a Spot Ether ETF could also be accountable for a significant inflow from the traditional financial markets. When BlackRock filed its iShares Bitcoin Trust application in June, ETF experts pointed out that the asset manager had very rarely been rejected by the SEC, but also that hasn't guaranteed an approval. Analysts yesterday noted that starting today, the SEC has a window of just over 1 week where it could hypothetically approve 12 Bitcoin ETF applications. Meanwhile, there's mounting interest from potential issuers in getting an Ethereum ETF listed. Asset manager Grayscale, which is owned by Digital Currency Group, last month filed to convert its Grayscale Ethereum Trust into a spot ETF. Early in October, the first Ethereum Futures Trust began trading on the Chicago Board Options Exchange, or CBOE, and so far, 9 have been listed from investment firms ProShares, VanEck, Bitwise, Valkyrie, Kelly, and VulShares. Axel Bitblaze wrote a great post on X saying, "I wouldn't be surprised if ETH hits $2,500 to $3,000 in the coming weeks. Here's why." First is BlackRock's Ethereum ETF. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has filed to list an Ethereum ETF that would track Ether directly. This shows a deepening commitment to crypto by BlackRock and indicates growing institutional interest in Ethereum. Approval of this ETF could significantly impact ETH, as seen from the price surge following the announcement yesterday. The ETF would require holding Ether, potentially increasing demand and price. Secondly is the EIP 4844 upgrade, or proto-dank sharding. Part of the Ethereum Cancun upgrade, EIP 4844, introduces proto-dank sharding to reduce gas fees and increase transaction throughput. Benefits include improved scalability, security, and user-friendliness for developers and users. Reduced fees and increased throughput benefit Layer 2 networks like Optimism and Arbitrum, and Layer 2 rollup costs expected to decrease significantly, marking a new era of low-cost on-chain activities. In conclusion, the potential approval of an Ethereum ETF by Blackrock from the SEC and the EIP 4844 upgrade are bullish catalysts for ETH. While the upward trend in Bitcoin and altcoins continues, Bitcoin breached the $38,000 level yesterday. Bitcoin, which later dropped to $35,500 with a dump in the evening, has now recovered to $37,000. While there is a generally turbulent atmosphere in altcoins, Polygon's Matic has increased by 21% in the last week. Polygon Labs announced a nearly $90 million funding round today, with Polygon trading at its current level of 79 cents. Polygon Labs has relaunched Polygon Village 2.0, offering a new grant program with more than 110 million Matic to help projects grow within the Polygon ecosystem. Polygon Labs said in a statement that direct grants of up to 2 million Matic or $1.55 million will be provided to next stage projects. Meanwhile, Santiment in his November 9th post on X noted that addresses holding between 100,000 and 10 million Matic tokens have been accumulating heavily in the last 2 weeks. The surge in accumulation by these whales means that there was an increase in buying pressure for Matic, hence it was almost inevitable for the price not to increase, combined with the widespread bullish sentiment in the market. Crypto exchange Poloniex has been hacked for at least $60 million. The blockchain analysis platform PackShield pointed towards the suspicious transactions. Poloniex is a centralized crypto exchange and it was established in 2014. Tron founder Justin Sun acquired the exchange in 2019. Cyber Alerts, the security alert platform, estimates that someone has moved approximately $60 million from Poloniex's hot wallet. Justin Sun, one of the primary stakeholders of the Poloniex crypto exchange, wrote on X saying, "We are currently investigating the Poloniex hacks incident. Poloniex maintains a healthy financial position, and we will fully reimburse the affected funds. Additionally, we are exploring opportunities for collaboration with other exchanges to facilitate the recovery of these funds." Unexpectedly, the native token of the Tron blockchain, TRX, pumped by 14% after the hack. The sudden change caught the community off guard. Justin Sun, a well-known figure in the crypto world, is the founder of the Tron blockchain. However, in the wake of these events, some people are harboring suspicions about the incident. One user wrote, "Why did the hacker use those funds to pump TRX?" Analysts at Looks On Chain claim the hackers are also trying to launder the stolen funds on Ethereum for ETH and Tron for TRX. This isn't the first time Poloniex suffered a hack from attackers. Back in 2014, the exchange lost more than 12% of its Bitcoin reserves due to a vulnerability in its codebase. Chainlink's Link token experienced a remarkable 26% surge between November 2nd and 8th, approaching the $14 level, a level not seen since April of 2022. This solidified its position as the 10th largest cryptocurrency, excluding stablecoins, by market cap. Wu Blockchain revealed in an X post today that Chainlink will open its staking V2 soon. According to the post, the pool size is expected to reach 45 million Link, which is worth approximately $650 million. 40.875 million Link will be allocated to Chainlink community members, while the rest will be allocated to node operators. The post also shared that community members will be able to stake between 1 and 15,000 Link tokens, while node operators will be able to stake between 1,000 and 75,000 tokens. Despite the promising future prospects, traders are questioning whether there have been substantial institutional inflows into Chainlink to support the 26% rally in just 6 days. Unfortunately, there is no foolproof metric to gauge this, but Grayscale's Chainlink Trust presents an optimistic perspective. This over-the-counter instrument is traded through regular stock market brokers, making it accessible to asset managers who cannot directly invest in cryptocurrencies. Notably, Grayscale's Chainlink price is trading at a 320% premium compared to the proportional underlying Link holdings held by the fund, indicating robust buying demand. Further fueling Chainlink's impressive gains is the listing of Link on the Hashkey Exchange, a licensed trading platform catering to professional investors in Hong Kong, the same one we talked about at the beginning of the video. While some valid criticisms have been raised regarding Chainlink's excessive centralization, its Oracle dominance remains unchallenged. Consequently, any tailwind for the real-world asset market should likely have a positive impact on Link's price, paving the way for further price hikes above $14. That's it for your Outcome Buzz News Update. I'm Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.